Hi, I'm Elaine Alderman. I am a real estate agent, a realtor, and a real estate investor in the Acadiana area. And I want to talk about the CE class that I took that was just amazing. It wasn't the same old thing. It was new information that made me more knowledgeable. So why does this matter? Looking out for your clients will win you a client and the client's referrals for life. After taking a set of CE classes, I felt that I could honestly discuss hazards such as mold and fire, asbestos, trauma, etc. without trying to look the other way. On top of the knowledge we learned how to tell other people about what we know in a way that makes us real estate heroes. One of my favorite takeaways from the CE class was this nest protection plan. Similar to the way a termite bond works, the nest protection plan guarantees Louisiana homes mold-free for life.